Hi everyone. So I figured there was going to be questions about this, and I will cover it in Class Connect as well. But just because I know there's a lot of people who are getting some emails and people are asking now, so probably thought this would be the easiest way to do it. All right. So what you're looking at is just a random student's grade book right now. So their grade currently up at the very top, they have 654.2 points out of 723. So that gives them an A minus right now, right? So this denominator is what you're looking at here. So that's the points available. So in our class, we had some optional assignments, right? So we had the myth assignment. That was an optional assignment that you could do that counted for points. I think we had like a discussion board poetry thing that you could do. You have the option to do the Fahrenheit 51 project or the generational interview, which those are both worth different points. So that denominator is going to give it won't be the same for everyone, basically is what it comes down to. So the email that I sent, and I'm going to pull this over really quick, shows you, and we're going to have to squeeze this out. So hopefully you can see that. But the email that I sent to everyone basically shows you the point values that you need. So for that student, they had 723 points available. So this is where they're looking, right? So to earn an A, they would need 650. To earn a B, they would need 585. To earn a C, they would need 510. And to earn a D, they would need 440 points, right? That student's already at an A minus. So they may want to make sure they get to the A point. So they can do a couple more assignments, redo a quiz, or they probably still have to do the life journal once they turn the life journal in. That's going to probably bump that student from an A minus to an A, right? So that's where you're looking. So it has to do here with that point value, right? So again, if we move that over in your grade book, when you open your grade book up, you're going to have this calculated grade. It has your total over to the side here. The denominator is what you're looking for. So this is the points earned. These are the points available in your grade book, right? So that's what you're going to base where your grade is and how many more points you need to earn a C, a B, an A, whatever it is that you're shooting for. So hopefully that clarifies. If you have additional questions, please let me know.